What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog. For today's video, we're going to be doing a test for the battery and Wi-Fi speeds for the LG Stylo 4 and the Q7. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the LG Stylo 4. So I've turned off all the settings, which is NFC. I've turned off, they had location on, all the things. So I'm going to do the same thing also with the Q7. So I'm going to turn on the Wi-Fi. That's it right now. No other apps are on. And just go ahead and download PUBG. You see it's at 30% right now, and I'm gonna do them separately so that way it doesn't, one of them doesn't take more network than the other. So let's go ahead and install this one first, and let's just wait for it to finish. By the way, it's 1.64 gigabytes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off sleep mode so the screen stays on. So I'm gonna put keep screen turned on, and the display brightness is on auto. So 128, 30%. Okay, that's really impressive. We're still at 30%. PUBG is completely installed on the phone. And now let's go ahead and do the Q7. We got to make sure that NFC is turned off, location, everything's turned off. Display mode, we're going to keep it turned on. Let's try to compare it. This was at 43% screen display. So the brightness is both on 43. Trying to put as much similar settings as I can. All right, let's go ahead and turn on Wi-Fi, go to Play Store, 30%, same battery percentage that was on the LG Stylo 4, install. Alright guys, now that I have PUBG Mobile installed on both phones, by the way, if you can see, the LG Stylo 4 is still at 30%, while the Q7 is down at 29% already. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test the performance on both of the phones and actually play the games and see how well the battery will last when I'm multitasking and using the phones to their full potential. Now the update is complete on both of the phones. Just keep in mind this is the LG Stylo 4 and this is the LG Q7. Wow, interesting how they're both at the same time as well, by the way. Alright, now I'm playing on the LG Q7. Alright, so there you guys have it. Let's go ahead and go to the home screen on both phones. We've played on the LG Stylo 4, which is the one right here on the left. And then we played also on the Q7. As you can see, the LG Q7 is now at 24% battery life, while the LG Stylo 4 is at 26%. That will tell you that the battery life on the LG Stylo 4 will last you much longer than the LG Q7. The LG Q7 has 3000 milliamps compared to the 3300 milliamp battery that's on the LG Stylo 4. So that's in terms of battery life. I also did another video on performance. If you guys want to watch that video, the link is down in the description below, so make sure to check that out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.